Last year was a tough year for me. That was the year I lost my sister and I spent a lot of my time grieving. But I remember she wanted me to continue with my life and fulfill all my dreams and goals. So right at the turn of the year, I made some resolutions. Here are all the goals I crushed in 2023. In terms of fitness, I kicked off spring running a 10K race. And in summer, I signed up to the Super Spartan 10K race up a mountain. That wasn't easy. To top it all off, I ran my first half marathon at the end of the summer. I also went dragon boat racing for charity. In terms of business, I always wanted to have my own podcast, and I launched 10 episodes this year on Spotify and Apple. I also expanded my website and app to include beginner video recipes, and we published over 60 cooking videos in 2023. And not to mention a whole nutrition guide. I collaborated with 3 amazing fitness coaches who will be featured on my app in 2024. I can't wait for you to meet them. I hit the big 1 million on Facebook and the big 100K on YouTube and received the official plaque. And in terms of self-care, well, I focused on being more present and enjoyed the little things we call blessings. The grief will never go away, but focusing on me and my goals really helped this year. And not to mention your overwhelming support and love kept me going and going strong. I have a purpose and my goal is to fulfill it year after year. 2024 is no different.